The Add Contact feature offers multiple ways to build and manage your address book. To get started, click Add Contact and choose the method that works best for you. Select Add manually to enter a contact's details yourself, including their name, organization, phone number, email address, and other information. Once you're done, simply save the contact. You can also choose Scan Business Card to capture the contact details directly from a physical business card, making it quick and easy to save new connections. If the contact has a digital vCard, select Scan QR code and scan their QR code to instantly add their information to your address book. For bulk imports, use the Import via CSV option. Upload a CSV file containing your contacts, and the app will automatically import them into your address book. With the multiple ways to add contacts, managing your professional network becomes faster, simpler, and more efficient.